Hey guys, welcome back to Cheese Makeup. Thanks so much for tuning in. So this is Jaya and today I'm going to do a review video. So if you guys like review videos, definitely give a thumbs up and also subscribe. So today I'm going to review the Garnier Micellar Cleanser Water for sensitive skin and then Garnier Oil Infused Cleanser Water to remove waterproof makeup. Garnier Micellar Water for sensitive skin for 125 ml retails for 175 rupees and then for 400 ml it retails for 349 rupees. The Garnier Micellar Oil Infused Cleanser Water retails 125 ml for 225 rupees and then 400 ml 399 rupees. So now let's see what Garnier actually promises with this product. Garnier tells that it is an all-in-one cleanser which is surprisingly powerful yet gentle to skin. It is specially formulated to effectively cleanse, remove makeup and refresh skin. Like a magnet, micellar captures and lifts away dirt, oil and makeup without any harsh rubbing, leaving skin perfectly clean and refreshed without over-drying. So I've been using this product for a few days, so here's my review. This product has been launched in other countries way before. It's just been launched in India. Finally, Garnier launched it in India. What we actually do is we use a cream or a soap to just remove the makeup, and then we use a lot of tissues to remove it, and then we go and wash our face because it's like it's sitting on your face. You really want to wash it off, even though you kind of clean it with a lot of tissues with coconut oil or cream, but you still want to cleanse your face. Now what they have brought here is makeup remover plus cleanser, so that is amazing. I am in love with this product because it not only removes makeup but also cleanses the face. As they claim, the product definitely works. Just in a swipe I'm able to remove even the toughest of kajals that I wear because I love to wear lots of mascara and really thick kajal. So this product really helps me not to use a lot of wipes. Actually, I just need a cotton pad and my makeup is off. It's just so simple. It just melts the makeup and removes it without any harsh rubbing and all that. So definitely this is a very good all-in-one product. So after I remove my makeup with the cotton pad, I don't actually have to go and cleanse my face, which is like the biggest thing. I just have to remove it, go to bed. So it's like on-the-go product. And also it did not dry my face. I didn't feel like any product was sticking on my face. I just felt my face was cleansed and I was kind of feeling very light. It usually feels heavy with all the cream or coconut oil that we add to remove it. I was not feeling anything. I just felt that it cleansed my face and I'm done. So finally I'm going to talk about the packaging and the price. Packaging, so cute, so pretty, see-through with pink. Awesome. Just looks pretty, it's just so handy. You can even put it in your travel bag, you can keep it anywhere, it's not going to take any space. It is a really good container and I love it. And this is oil infused one. You can see the oil on top, so you just have to like shake it and use it. So this is for really tough makeup, waterproof, tough makeup. This is going to really ease off in removing. So the price point, I'm really convinced. 125 ml, 175 rupees. Really awesome. And obviously because it's argan oil infused, it is 225. I think the price point is really fine. This bottle will come for a really long time if you're not someone who wears makeup every single day. So yeah guys, that was the review. Such a simple on-the-go product. Now I'm going to show you guys the demo of the product. Now let's go into the demo. So I'm going to use a cotton pad for both of my eyes. So for the left, I'm going to remove with my usual, which is the Nivea Oil and Coconut Rich Body Lotion. So this is, usually I use body lotions to remove. And on the right side of my makeup, I'm going to remove with the Garnier Micellar Water. So I usually pump like that and I spread it. Next, I'm just going to use a mirror and obviously you can see it won't remove immediately. I really gotta like rub and all that to actually take it off. still it will need some more to actually remove the entire makeup. Okay. So yeah. Now that did that, and I had to pull and do all that, and it is kind of straining the eyes. So that's one main thing about this lotion thing. So next, obviously, I'm going to use this to remove my lip makeup, and gotta really scrub that to remove. Finally removed it. So cotton pad, and just have to put a few drops. That's all you need. Just have to keep it for a few seconds, because you just need some time for it to absorb the makeup. Wow, that's awesome. Gone. Isn't that easy? It just absorbed everything. It's gone. I didn't have to tug or rub or anything. It just melted. It just melted the makeup so easily. My mascara, everything is gone. Wow, that's really cool. Now let's do it on the lips. I'm not going to rub or do anything. Let's see. Oh, wow. That's I just kept it. I just keep it, that's all. I didn't rub anything. I'm just keeping it. That is it. Whoa. So true. Isn't it so true? Cool. It just removes everything by just melting the makeup. You can see in the demo itself how awesome it is. I just didn't do anything. Just keep it a little bit. That's it. Completely gone. And the lips was amazing. I just didn't do anything. It is that's all. This product is super awesome. It's definitely going to go in my I cannot live without product list. And also this side, I feel like I have the product on, that is a cream. I still feel it's and I want to wash it off, but this side I feel so fresh and nice. I don't feel like I have to go and wash off. So yes guys, that was my review of the Garnier Micellar Water. So hope you guys found the review useful. Definitely check more videos in the I button right there. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.